Alright, welcome back. Today we're gonna do changes the engine air filter for Audi A4. This one, mine is 2017. So first of all, just pop the hood, pull it out, hood is up. Let's go. So this is where usually the engine air filter is. So it has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 screws which you need to unscrew or lose. So I already did. So once you unscrew it, this still stays in. You can see it's free, but you can push it out, pull it out, it stay in there. So as soon as you're done, okay, just gently pull it up. You will see your air filter. Whoa, oh, shit. Alright, so that's all in it, pretty much in everybody's car. So that's something. Oops, definitely need to be changed. Alright, once this is done, so there is a latch where actually the lock is. So let's see if I be able to, because I'm using the same hand. Alright, so all you gotta do is push it from here, and you're gonna see that filter is loose now, and you can easily pull it out. Wow. That's all in it. And still I have a bunch of stuff here, huh? That's my 2017 Audi. It barely has 55,000 miles on it. Whoops. Alright. Well, definitely need to change it. Okay, for this one I have this STP air filter SA90227. It's pretty much same. There's a size difference, but I guess that's all coming from it. Alright, let's get back to work. Put it back on. So this is gonna go right where the other one was. Alright, so we're gonna continue our video. So what actually happened yesterday, I got this filter, but the size of it was way smaller than the actual filter. So I went back out of zone, and they still didn't have the exactly real same filter. So I have to go to O'Reilly, and that's where I got it from. So this is our old filter. You can see I already showed you yesterday how much dust and debris were in there. So this one is the new one, so you can relate. Oops. Alright, so once we have it, let's go to actually assembly. It's gonna be a little difficult because we'll be using only one hand. So that's where actually the filter gonna go and fit. And once that is done, simply rotate it and you will feel that it clicks. Once it clicks, you can see that it's all fit here too. So that's all about it. Once you're done, put it back, and we're gonna tighten the screws. That's all the filter. We'll put in the new. So let's screw it. So once you're done, just screw these bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me do it and we'll go from there. Alright, so guys, we're done. Just tighten them enough and the air filter is in place. That's again the old one. and all this thing. Oh, except this mask. Oops. All this came from this one itself. Alright guys, once you're done, close the hood, start your car, and you're good to go.